wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 6 best self-cleaning litter boxes. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 6. With its smart motion sensor, the Litter Maid Multi 3.2 will scoop automatically for 7 days until you remove the waste cartridge and discard it. Charcoal filters practically eliminate odor, and a built-in pore cleaning ramp cuts down on mess outside the box. It comes with an LED light for nighttime use and high walls that reduce the spread of litter. However, be aware this one's not suitable for kittens. At number 5, the petsafe PAL00168005 has all the same functionality as the company's scoop-free model, but without the plastic canopy on top of it. This might be suitable if you've got a claustrophobic cat, though most felines prefer their privacy. It's easy to assemble and includes convenient disposable trays, but the lack of an enclosure can lead to messes. Coming in at number 4 on our list. If your furry friend is skittish around automatic rakes, the petsafe Simply Clean might be a good choice. It spins slowly, constantly, driving clumps up a covered conveyor belt, so cats don't have to worry about getting scooped out by a robotic claw. It's equipped with a 6-foot power cord and backed by a 1-year warranty. However, you don't get any notifications when the bin is full. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for self-cleaning litter boxes, or simply click beneath this video. Halfway up our list at number 3. The Omega Paw Roll is one of the most affordable options that, while not completely automatic, still eliminates your need to manually scoop up feces. Simply roll it onto its right side and the poop's collected as it sifts the litter. It's covered to stop cats kicking out litter, and the lid snaps securely in place. It can help reduce the spread of dust. At number 2, with the Cat Genie, you never have to clean, change or flush litter again. Once you hook it up to a water supply, it washes, sanitizes and dries itself automatically, and features reusable granules that are included with every purchase. It's an eco-friendly choice with sleep timer settings and a 2-year warranty. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the petsafe Scoop Free eliminates the unpleasant odor associated with most litter boxes. Feces and urine land on blue crystals that are moisture and odor absorbent before being raked automatically into a disposable tray for hassle-free emptying. It's available in purple or taupe and tracks how often your cat uses it. It offers 3 rake timing options. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for self-cleaning litter boxes, or simply click beneath this video.